Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bhupesh. Hope you're doing perfectly well. So what we're gonna talk about today, as you can see on my screen. So today we're gonna talk about another interesting session on a New Relic observability. New Relic is again another full stack monitoring tool, which is a compatible or which is a competitor of Grafana, App Dynamics, and so on. So what we saw in first lecture of New Relic, we saw how to do the agent based instrumentation of any application, and then we were sending data to New Relic. But today we'll be checking the open telemetry flavor of New Relic, which is really again a very popular topic in demand. How we can send the auto instrumentation of any application using OTel collector agent, which is cloud agnostic, and send that data to New Relic SaaS tool. So let's quickly jump onto the practical implementation. There's no theory for this. I think you pretty much aware about it, and I have created a small GitHub page which I'll be pasting into the description of this video. Please do check out on this page and you'll get all the details related to what are the steps that we are going to perform today in this session. So let me open that VS Code. Very small steps are there. This will be a very quick session. You should have a New Relic account already up and running. If you don't have, you can simply get into with legitimate user email ID, right? So this is my New Relic SaaS account which I created some time back. This is my open mini cube K3D cluster which is already running. I'll be doing my experimentation of today into this cluster so that things are easy to know. So I'm currently into metrics namespace, as you can see, and there's nothing in this namespace, like it is brand new empty. So let's quickly see what is the first steps that we want to. So this is my New Relic account that I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and install the OpenTelemetry collector. Why we are installing collector? So that we can collect the data from the cluster, especially from the application, select the metrics, logs, and traces for that auto instrumented application, then send it to you the New Relic portal. Now this is the only command that I'm going to run it today. I'm installing the OpenTelemetry collector Helm chart, which will collect the data. I'm giving it a name, New Relic OTel, and I'm passing certain values. Now what are these values.yaml file? So I'll quickly come here. So this is simply I'm passing the image. I'm giving the configurations of metrics, logs, and traces, basically the pipeline. So what I'm saying, first of all, collect all the data which is coming from this application to this receiver, which is OTLP endpoint. Okay, and then once you collect that data, send it to exporter, which is the New Relic endpoint. This is the New Relic endpoint, and with this API key. Okay, how you want to create an API key, you can get into the previous session, but that is fairly simple. So collect the data from receiver, which is the OTLP collector endpoint, and then send it to this, right? This is the only thing that is there in this OTel collector, and this OTel collector will expose a 4317 endpoint which we will use in the application. I hope I'm clear. So let me just quickly install this, right? So this will actually, let me go to that location. This will actually install the collector, and that will run onto the port number 4317 that we will use in our application. So application will simply nodes. So yeah, the collector is running. So now let me show you what I'm trying to say. So the collector is running a service, which is this collector service, which is exposed on these ports. So we'll be using, I think, 4317 or 4318, any one port, to send the data from application to this collector, which will ultimately send to New Relic portal, right? So now I'm coming to the application. So this is a Python Swagger based application which I'm using for quite some time now. So the deployment is simply running this Python based application, right? There's nothing in this. It is using an image. So config map is something which will, so it has a OTel exporter, traces exporter, metrics exporter, log exporter. So this application will send metrics, logs, and traces. I'm giving this name, and it will send this data to the service, which is just now we have created it, like you see the OTel New Relic OpenTelemetry OTel collector 4317. That's what I was trying to show. See, the same service. So first of all, application will send the data to the service, and the service will take to send this data to the New Relic portal. I hope I'm clear now, right? So let me now go ahead and install this application, which is actually pretty straightforward. You come to this folder and then simply say okay, apply all. So I'm applying all the configurations, right? And I'm doing a KGP. Now my application is running. This service is also running. I'll do port forward of this application to generate some traffic, because the moment I generate some traffic, then only it will get some data onto your Newrelic portal. Okay, so this is a Swagger based application, nothing to talk about. So I just generate some traffic in this. I'm generating the get, I'm hitting the get endpoint, right? Let me hit the delete endpoint of this application also, so that we can get at least multiple traces pertaining to this. So now I am hitting the delete endpoint. Let me hit the post endpoint also, just to make sure I'm hitting the post endpoint also. So I think now I've hit at least 3-4 endpoints. Let's see whether is there any error in my log of OTel collector, because collector is something which will collect the data. There are only 2 ports, so life is easy. So the collector port and the application port. So I'll just see a logs port and then the collect port. Is there any error, warning, or something which I need to take care? That I'll check. So there is no error. Everything is ready and it is actually processing the data. Let me go back to my Newrelic portal, which is nothing but this. So you need to come all capabilities, right? APM and APM service. And I'll just click on this section and I should see something. Oh, perfect. So I can see something is coming. There are 2 sections. So pet clean is something which I did some time back from the APM first session basically. And this is the OpenTelemetry flavor, which I've just now installed using the OTel collector agent, right? Now let's investigate what are the things that are coming from this instrumentation. Instrumentation is auto. We are just using into OTel collector to send the data from cluster to the Newrelic SaaS portal, right? Since 30 minutes ago. So let's see, some data is already coming. Throughput error rate is already coming. Let's see some spans also. Yeah, these spans, you can see spans are coming again. There are a lot of spikes that are coming. Let's go to the distributed tracing also. Let's understand all the pointers before we wrap up this video, because I want to make it very quick. It's all practical things that I do. You see the post things have been hit now. I can see everything now coming into my Newrelic portal, which is actually, if I really want to do last 30 minutes, yeah, I think last 30 minutes is fine. You see lots of hits that I recently did, right? So this is all coming from this. Is there any error? So possibly not. So let's go to service maps. What are the things? So these are all automatic things that Newrelic is doing for us. We are just sending the data to a OTLP endpoint, and OTLP endpoint is taking care to send this data to the relevant. So let's see the logs. So I want to make it very quick. Let's not take much of time. Let's see the logs also, and then we'll wrap up this session. So logs should come. Yeah, so these are the prior log, these are the latest log that are coming. You can see everything is coming. So we have seen logs, we have seen matrices, we have seen traces also, right? So I think you can see the matrix explorer also. So all 3 should come, because this is a auto instrumented application that is coming, and that is sending all the data. So that is pretty much. Let's see a quick summary, and that we can go to the. So yeah, see the spans and everything is coming nicely. So that is pretty much. It's a very quick session. I like quick session so that it can be completed quickly. So last but not the least, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel, so that I can make more videos related to tools like Grafana, OpenTelemetry, and post down things into the comment section if you really want to get any other use case that you want to test in Newrelic playlist, or some other playlist that you want. And happy exploring other playlists in the same channel. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day.